just completed this bat now. Just finished using the sand on this, and we'll probably need to use a fine sand to smoothen the rest of the bat. But as you can see, this profile is known as ulufua, and for the ulufua it's quite distinct in the manner that it has 3 sides to the bat, which potentially means that you could be using any side of the triangle to hit the ball with. This particular bat is tapered to the handle, and it's quite a nice thin handle. You can grip from probably 3/4 to the top. And so what I've done here is to try and take as much wood as I can from this bat. Hopefully it will make the pickup light, and also you get good bat speed as you bat with the ball. It's going to be a beauty in the game. Definitely score some runs. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has been informative as well as being educational for our Pacific people who would like to create your own Pake Kilikiki. Go lahi.